So over here, you can see that I have a bunch of events, and let's just go ahead and delete some of it. So I'm going to go around over here onto vacation, and I'm going to delete this event. I'm going to go around onto meeting, delete this event as well. I'm going to delete all the events right here. So all of it is deleted. I'm going to delete this online event right here. So now let's say that I was not supposed to delete the event. So in order to do that, you can quickly click on undo button right here. So it's undone right here. But once that is removed, you have no way to recover it immediately. So in order to recover the event, you can go around into settings menu, and then you can see trash as an option. Once you click on trash, what happens is that it opens up a new window right here, and all the events that you deleted are here, as you can see. So if you want to permanently delete it, then you can click on empty trash. If you want to restore them, click on all of it right here, or you can click on this one to select all of it, and then you can simply click on restore all selected. Once you click on restore all selected, all the events are restored, and you can click back and you can see that all the events are there. If you want to immediately delete it out, then you can go around, and here you can see that as I restored it, it actually created a duplicate event right here. So I'm just going to not send it. I deleted the event. If you want to permanently delete it, then you can go around into trash, and then you can select this out, and then you can empty the trash out here, or you can just delete this out. Delete forever the selected, or to delete everything, empty the trash out, and then everything will be deleted, and you cannot restore the events anymore. You can also see out other events if you have for other calendars that you may have. And that is how you can restore and delete, and then go to trash to restore out deleted events inside of Google Calendar. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.